Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 8 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 8 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter calculate mean, median, mode and range. Interpret charts to find mean, median, mode and range. Mean, median, mode and range, find the missing number, and then changes in mean, median, mode and range. So here I'm on grade 8 math. Let's just start with the lesson that is calculate mean, median, mode and range. What is the mode? So the first thing you need to know is what is the mode? Mode is the number that appears the most of the time in the given data, right? So you have to see which number appears most of the time in the given data. So you can see here -9 appears 2 times, -4 appears 3 times, and -2 appears 4 times. So -2 is the mod because -2 appears 4 times, right? Let's just start with the test questions. What is the range? So range is the difference between the greatest and the smallest number given in the data, right? So calculate find the greatest number in the given data. The greatest number in the given data is 10 and the smallest number in the given data is 3. So the range is 7. Got it? Range is the difference between the greatest value and the smallest value in the given data. That is 10 minus 3. The correct option is 7. Option number 1 is the correct option. Carly checked the available memory on 9 computers in the computer lab. The amounts were What was the mean amount of memory available? Mean means the number that appears the most of the time in the given data. So, which is the correct option? That is mean. Sorry, I thought for the mean you have to add them all and divide by the number of values given. You just add them all first. 3.3 plus 2.7 plus 2.7 plus 3.3 plus 2.3 plus 2.9 plus 0.7 plus 2.1. Let me, they are 3.3 plus 2.7 plus 2.7 plus 3.3 plus 2.3 plus 3.2 plus 2.9 plus 2.7 plus 2.1. So their sum is 25.2, right? The sum of all the values is 25.2. Now they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in number. So divided by the 9. So 25.2 divided by 9 is 2.8. So that means the mean value is 2.8. Got it? The mean is 2.8. For the mean, you have to add all the given values divided by the number of values. They are 9 in number, so that's why I divided them the sum by 9. That is 2.8. What is the mean? So just add them and divide by the mean. Whole 7 negative 7 cancel out. Negative 9 9. The correct option is 0. How? Let's see if we just add them. So positive and negative numbers cancel out each other, right? So 7 and negative 7 makes 0. 7 and negative 7 makes 0. Here is negative 9 and 6 plus 3 is 9, so they make 0. The correct option is 0. What is the median? So how do we calculate the median? For the median, we have to arrange the numbers from least to greatest, right? So the least number here is negative 9 is the least one, then negative 5, then negative 4, negative 4, negative 4, and then 0. Negative 4 is the median. Before the negative 4, you have three numbers that are smaller than negative 4, and after the negative 4, you have numbers that are greater than negative 4. So the mean median is 4, negative 4. So whenever you have to calculate the median, what you have to do, you have to arrange the numbers to greatest. Actually, the median is the middle number, right? Okay, what is the mod? Which is the correct option? What is the mod? The mod is -3. Option number one is the correct option. Very good. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is interpret charts to find mean, median, mod, and range. Some teachers compared how many years they have been teaching. What are the numbers? So for the median, you have to arrange them from least to greatest, and you have to find the middle number. See, you have arranged the numbers from least to greatest, and the let's just start with the test questions, right? The teacher at the middle school counted how many computers they had in their classrooms. What is the mod of the number? So, which is the correct option? 6. That is 6 is the mod. The correct option is 6. Kendra graphed the daily low temperature at 7 days. What is the mod of the number? So, which is the correct option? The mod is the number that appears the most of the time, right? Oh, yes, that is 10. The correct option is 10. Very good. Some students compared how many blocks they live from school. What is the range of the numbers? So, which is the correct option? That is 10 minus 1. The correct option is 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. The players on a quiz show received the following scores. What is the mod of the numbers? The correct option is um yes, 6 it is. Very good. Several people compared how many web pages they had visited. What is the range of the numbers? The range is 6. The correct option is 6. An author kept a log of how many pages he wrote in the past 5 days. What is the median of the numbers? So let's just arrange them from least to greatest, right? Mm, 4, 0, 1, 4, 5, and 6. So the median is 4. The correct option is 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Robert counted how many letters each employee sent last week. What is the mod of the numbers? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is mean, median, mod, and range. Find the missing number. Erin has the following data: 8, 12, U, 17, and 17. If the median is 12, what number could U be? Let's just start with the test questions. You can have a look on the tutorial, right? They are already solved. Following data. What if the mean is 11? What number could K be? You are given the mean, that is 11, right? So the mean is sum of all the numbers, 12 plus 7 plus 7, 17 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer would be 11, right? So you are given two of the options, 12 and 27. Replace the k with 12 and see if you add them, divide by 5, the answer is 11, right? So let's just let me just add them. That is 12 plus 7 plus 7 plus 12 plus 17. That is 55 over 5. The correct option is 11. If you add them, their sum is 55 and 55 divided by 5 is 11. So that means correct option is 12. 12 is the correct option. The correct option is option number 1. The K is 12. Option number 1 is the correct option. Erica has the following data. If the mean is 8, what number could J be? No, median is 8. Okay, so the median is 8. 8 is the middle number, right? Before 8, you have all the numbers that are less than 8, and after the 8, you have all the numbers that are greater than 8. J must be less than 8, right? So the correct option is 7. It could be either 8 or either 7 because the correct option is 7. Option number 1 is the correct option. Zoe has the following data. If the range is 4, what number could Q be? The range is 4, right? 13 minus 9 is 4. So the Q must be 9. Because if Q is 8, then the range is not the 4. The range is the greatest and the smallest number, right? So then 8 is the smallest number. 13 minus 8 is not 4. Got it? Heather has the following data. If the mod is 3, what number could Y be? Mod. Mod is the number that appears the most of the time. But here you have that means the Y must be 3. The correct option is 3. Tammy has the following data. If the median is 3, what number could Q be? The Q would be it could be either 18 or 19. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is changes in mean, median, mode, and range. Look at the set of 8 numbers. How would the mean change if the number 8 were added to the set? Okay, if you add the 8, right? How could the mean changes? Here is the numbers. They are 8. The numbers are 8 plus 8, 8, 9, 9, 6, 9, 7. You have to add 8, right? You have to calculate the mean for original these numbers, right? If you calculate the mean for these numbers, the mean is 8. Now add the ninth number. The ninth number would be 9. When you calculate the mean, that is also 8. That means no change. Let's test questions. Look at the set of 6 numbers. How would the range changes if the number 9 replaced by one of the 8 in the set? Okay, so for this set of data, the original set of data, the range is 8 minus 6, that is 2, right? So replace one of the 8 with 9. Then the range would be 3. The range is increased. The correct option is increased. Option number 1 is the correct option. Look at this set of 9 numbers. How would the mean change if 65 replaced the number 92 in the set? So the mean of the original set is, let's just add and divide. That is 21 plus 16 plus 92 plus 85 plus 63 plus 2 plus 61 plus 57 plus 85, that is 522, and 522 divided by 9, that is 58. The mean of the given original set is 58. Now replace the 92 with 65 and calculate the mean. Right, I'm going to add them and divide them by 9. 21 plus 16 plus 65 plus 85 plus 63 plus 42 plus 61 plus 57 plus 85, that is 495, and 495 divided by 9 is 48. The mean is decreased. The correct option is decreased. Got it? That is decreased. Option number 2 is the correct option. Look at the set of 7 numbers. How would the mod change if the number 11 were added to the set? Number 11 added. Let's just calculate the original set, right? The mod is 55. If the number 11, if the number 11 is added, still it is 55. That means no change. Option number 2 is the correct option. Look at the set of 10 numbers. How would the median change if the number 2 replaced one of the sixth in the set? 10 numbers. The median is 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 6, 6, 7, and 9. The median is 5. If the 2 replaced one of the 6, then that would be decreased. It would be 4. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 8 math, working on statistics. The lessons we have covered today are calculate mean, median, mode, and range, interpret chart to find mean, median, mode, and range, mean, median, mode, and range, find the missing number, changes in mean, median, mode, and range. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I am here to answer all your questions and confusions. If you have any questions, you can please write down the questions in the chat box. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.